Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in health and wellness products. Today, we're diving into what could just be the best electrolyte drink for POTS syndrome available on the market. Get ready to learn all about Vitassium Capsules, salt tablets for support. Let's jump right in. Now, if you're dealing with POTS syndrome, you know just how challenging it can be to manage symptoms like fatigue, lightheadedness, and dehydration. That's where Vitassium Capsules come in to save the day. With 500 mg of sodium and 100 mg of potassium packed into each capsule, these salt tablets are specially formulated to support your daily electrolyte needs. Plus, they're non-GMO, unsweetened, and free from preservatives and allergens. What sets Vitassium apart is its convenient capsule form. No more messy powders or sugary drinks. Just pop a capsule and get a quick boost of electrolytes wherever you are. And for those of us with sensitive stomachs, you'll be glad to know that Vitassium capsules are designed to be gentle on digestion. Say goodbye to those unpleasant side effects you might experience with other electrolyte supplements. But what really makes Vitassium stand out is its focus on managing symptoms associated with POTS syndrome. By providing a daily dose of sodium and potassium, these capsules can help reduce fatigue and support cognitive function, essential for anyone dealing with POTS. And let's talk about quality. Vitassium capsules are gluten-free, vegan, and manufactured in the USA at a CGMP facility. You can trust that you're getting a top-notch product that meets the highest standards of safety and purity. So, if you're tired of battling the symptoms of POTS syndrome and ready for a simple, effective solution, look no further than Vitassium capsules. With their easy-to-swallow format, potent electrolyte blend, and commitment to quality, they just might be the best electrolyte drink for POTS on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.